So here's 4 different 3D printed visors that I designed and rendered for a 1-den car stereo. They're designed to be attached to the den opening with silicone adhesive. And so there's 4 versions I'm working on. This one's just a shorter version of this one. And this one here is just the top piece, and it's cut at about a 5-degree angle. And this one here is the same thing as this one, only it has no angle. It's 90 degrees off of the stereo. And the 1-den refers to the size, this opening. And it's a German standard. It's a DIN is how you spell it. And it stands for some German Institute of Normeg or something like that. I'll put that on the video. But anyway, that's why you talk about people have on car stereos. There's a 1-den, 1.5-den, or 2 dens. It refers to the depth, the height of the radio. I think the length is always going to be the same.
Deutsches Institut für Normung. Deutsches Institut für Normung.